Fun Place.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Fun Place. Today we have this cat and mouse track from Wonderworld. Let's have fun. Here's the cute little mouse. This is the starting point where this block of cheese is at. You go all the way down to this cool chick, down the bread bridge, all the way over, and avoid being eaten by the cat.
Wow!
Let's introduce more animals so that we can make this track more colorful. Here's an elephant. Here's an alligator. This is a giraffe. Here's a tiger. Right here we have a monkey. This is a zebra. A lion. Here's a tiger. This is a gorilla. A wolf. A rhinoceros. This is a warthog. A hippopotamus. Here goes the mouse. Hey guys, how about we try some blue marbles? We have green marbles. Yellow marbles. Red marbles. Alright guys, that's it for this time. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you're not a member, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.